Hi, my name is Jesus Rodriguez, and I have made over 500,000 cargo boxes with Yakima.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning.
The cargo box product isn't a simple process of just plug and play. It takes time and effort for our operators to gain the craftsmanship required to fine-tune a functionally quality box. Every box is handled individually from start to finish. Every employee in the manufacturing process knows that they use the required tools to ensure they are making a quality product. Our most added value is the attention to detail in order to achieve the best quality product and customer satisfaction. The large main line can hold between 27 and 32 operators at once. All of our cargo boxes are produced in Riverside, California. There is a large sense of pride from our workers since we make sure they know hands off that without their craftsmanship and hard work, our product would not be as successful as it is. The cargo box product has benefited over the years of good, strong, solid engineering practices that has allowed the new product development engineers to improve their designs over each generation of cargo box. I have seen many models, but adding steel reinforced bars, more room for your gear, and a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape.